Let's make a protein breakfast. Add whatever flavor and how many scoops of protein you want. I want like 2.5. Then let's add some milk or water. It's your choice. Then blend. Then add honey to your protein. And then a spoonful of peanut butter for extra flavor and protein. And top it off with a little lettuce or spinach to keep it healthy. Now blend. Now get your wet cardboard oats. Now pour enough water to just cover the oats. Microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Once oatmeal come out of the microwave, add some honey. And then top it off with some peanut butter. I'm hungry, so